Hello everyone. Last week we learned about MCP client. This week we are going to learn about creating our own MCP server. Let me walk through a demo that I already did. So if you do a list functionality, if you look at the prompt, right, assistant, please give me the list of functionality for help desk. Now you know what I'm writing MCP server for. So I'm writing a server for help desk, right? And it gives you the list of functionality it has. Let's say tickets created, right? If I go here, so it gives you the list of tickets that has been created. So if I go here, that's what I did. I created ticket with test 1. So basically these are the few of the functionality we are going to look into. Let me walk you through the code. Let me go into the server code first. Let's go into the source code. The first thing we have to do is, in the normal application, we just have to add MCP server. Everything else is same. There's no difference. Web API, H2 for database, that's all the dependencies. The thing we have to add in is MCP server. That's the only dependency we have to add to make this a server. And then let go normal flow. So in normal application, it's controller. In MCP server, with the tools, we already learned how to create tools, right? This is simple CRUD operations, and we annotated with tools and provided descriptions. Then after that, it's a similar thing. In the controller, we call the service. Here also doing same thing. Service calls the repository and it saves the data to database. Simple thing, right? The only thing we have to do is introduce help desk, and the other flows are normal. That's all the thing you need to know about the server. When we go to client to use this server, right, what we did, let me show you. This is what we did last week to use the file system. So I created separate server file, right, custom MCP server file, just to use this one. It's a similar thing. This is MCP servers, and then you can name it whatever you want. Command is how do you run the jar, and you need to have this jar there. This is in the local. Turn off the root logging. It's just for the purpose of not picking up that during invocation of the application, and jar, and give the path. That's all you need to do and nothing more. Like you already learned how to set up client last week, so just adding this help you start leveraging this one. It's easy, not that difficult. So let me go over the demo one more time, and I'll show you how to do so let's go, and just to differentiate, test 2 it created, right? Let's see, there's only one now. Let's see, we should have another one. Okay, we have another one. So let's try to update this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so it says status of title has been changed. Let's see here. This is the test 2, and now it is status open and it is closed, right? Basically this is working. It is pretty simple. Try it out and you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.